Hey everyone, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Tired of chasing payments with messy emails? In this year, 77% of PayPal invoices are paid within a single day. Today, I'm showing you the updated workflow to create, customize, and send professional invoices that give your clients every possible way to pay. So first, you will of course need to log in into your business or personal account. So on desktop, how do we do this? So you need to click Pay and Get Paid. So as you can see, my account doesn't actually support this feature, so I don't have it in my, as you can see, features here and the tabs, it's just missing. And on the mobile app, you also, just like on desktop, just press on Create an Invoice button. And on the mobile also, you can have a Request button. And then select Send an Invoice to get paid. And also shortcut. If you're on the go, look for the Quick Invoice option. This lets you send a simple payments link via text or WhatsApp in under 30 seconds. And then, in order to be able to fill the vitals, what do we need? So enter your client's email address. If they're a repeat customer, they'll pop up automatically. Then you add your services, quantities, and rates. Then you can click Edit on your business info to upload your company logo. And in terms of shipment, if you're selling physical goods, check the ship order box to include tracking info later. Then you preview your work to make sure it's perfect, and then just hit send. You'll get an alert the moment they view it, and another the moment you're paid. And that's it. If this invoice tutorial helped you out, like and subscribe, guys.